Hello and welcome, guys, and welcome to this late night vlog. And I thought that let's make this vlog to make certain things very clear to all of you, which again emanate from a recent live session which was done by Padmanabhan sir. So all those who have attended the December 2020 turned into January 2021 attempt of CMA examination of inter or final, this information is relevant for all of you. Guys, you need to understand the three words which are very important for you. These words do not only signify some meaning but also signify the next stages in which the exams will prosper, or the stage in which exam will now be conducted in future. What are these three words? These three words are reschedule, re-exam and result. What is reschedule? Reschedule means those students, and yes, only and only those students who have not got admit cards, approximately 4,000 in number, more than 4,000 in number, who have not got admit cards, who were not given an opportunity to appear for the examination because of COVID restriction in certain districts of the country. Those students will first of all be given an opportunity to appear in the examination. That is stage 1, which will happen now. Rescheduling of the examination only for those who have not been able to give the examination due to the reason that admit cards were not issued to them. This is stage 1, rescheduling of the examination. Stage 2, re-examination. Now what do you mean by re-examination? Re-examination means those students who faced genuine technical glitch which can be attributed to system lapse, they will be given an opportunity to again appear for the examination. Now those students will be categorized into two parts. Category number 1, those students who had given the original examination in the month of January, and part number 2, those students who had appeared for the rescheduled examination. Both those students clubbed together will get an opportunity to appear for the re-examination only and only if institute has got valid proofs that technical glitch had happened due to system lapse. Institute will call out a report, a system generated report, which is known as SGR, and using that report, institute will ascertain that in both the examination, the initial examination as well as the rescheduled examination, who were the students who faced technical glitch. Only those students will be given one more opportunity to reappear for the examination. This is stage number 2, re-examination. I have seen certain messages in the Telegram groups which are saying that Pappan sir has recommended that re-examination will happen for all the students. This is not true, guys. Re-examination is not supposed to happen for all the students. Re-examination will happen only for the students who have faced genuine glitch in the first phase of the examination, which has concluded on Sunday, and the second phase of the examination, which is the rescheduled examination. Those students who have faced a technical glitch in either of these two examination, they will be appearing again for the examination, which is the stage 2, re-examination. So stage 1, rescheduling for the students, 4,000 students who have not got admit card. Stage number 2, re-examination for all those students who have faced genuine technical glitch due to system lapse or some system error. SGR will be generated, system generated report. That report will tell name of the students who have faced genuine problems in appearing for the examination, in conducting the examination. They will get a chance to have a re-examination. And the last stage, and which is the favorite stage of all of us, which we are eagerly waiting for. Yes, I am eagerly waiting for, you are eagerly waiting for the results. But results cannot happen unless and until the first two stages are cleared. So we have to patiently wait for the rescheduled examination to happen, and for the re-examination to happen, we have to patiently wait. And after these two examinations are conducted, then the third stage will come by, which is the result, where we'll be celebrating, where we'll be rejoicing, where we'll be making merry and enjoying, real sense enjoying. So I thought I'll just make this video to make these three words clear, which Padmanabhan sir has said in the live session, and what are the repercussions, what are the future course of action which you can expect from the institute. This is what is entailed for you. So implicitly guys, taking hint from these three words, I can very well foresee that the result of CMA intermediate and final examination will not come before maybe February 3rd week or 4th week. So I think we have to wait a bit more for the examination results to be out, because first rescheduled examinations will take place, second re-examination will take place, and third will be result which will be out. So yes, wait patiently. You have lot of time right now to for the examination to be concluded completely, and then results will be out, and then you will be seeing your results. So yes, we'll be waiting for the results calmly and patiently, and those students whose rescheduled exam will happen, notification will be out soon. Those students who will be then be eligible for re-examination, their results will also be out soon. But rescheduling and re-examination is not for the entire community, not for the entire population. It is only for select few students. So yes, on that positive note, and hoping that results come by soon, and eagerly waiting for the results, all the very best and happy studying.